Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to turn off your Face ID for specific applications and specific ways, like for example unlocking your phone. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below if you want to. This would really help my channel. And yeah guys, let's go to the tutorial. So all you have to do is basically go to your settings, scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode. Then you enter your passcode. And as you can see, you can use Face ID for iPhone unlock, iTunes App Store, And if you want to turn off, for example, Face ID for iTunes and App Store, you just toggle this button off. But to completely delete your Face ID, all you have to do is click Reset Face ID. And that's that. As you can see, I have turned on my stolen device security, so that's why they don't let me actually reset my Face ID. But when you will reset your Face ID, after that you can set it up again. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.